All right, enough is enough. I'm going to go ahead and say this and bring it out right straight from the front. I'm about to blast somebody, and I know there's going to be some idiot that's going to comment and say, well, why don't you go and kick his ass instead of posting it on social media? Well, I'll tell you like this. Let things happen as they happen, because social media is very powerful, and once you get the word spread around about this guy, you'll understand. As far as getting his ass kicked, I am not going to say what I would do or what if I would do on social media that it can be used for evidence for whatever happens. Now that I got that out of the way, I want to talk about Jose Sanchez, this guy right here. This guy ran a football pot on Thanksgiving. $30 a square. I bought 2 squares. I don't know how many other squares the other winners bought, but they also bought some squares. He distributed the pot, and the winners were posted by him and tagged of who won what. The first quarter winner won $300. I won second and third quarter, which totaled $1,150. And the fourth quarter winner won $1,300. Now, to this day, almost a month later, none of us has gotten paid. He's been confronted through inbox, through text messaging by myself and the other winners. And he would constantly text back saying that he would pay us, that he's going to get with us. It'll be a few days. And he blamed it on PayPal. Hell, he even blamed his timing because he said that he went to Mexico for a funeral. But let me tell you what really happened. He got our money, and he took his girlfriend November 19th weekend to the Buffalo Bills game, the Texans and the Buffalo Bills. That's what he did with our money. He has yet to pay. And since then, we thought that he wasn't posting anything, and he's been posting that he just recently, this past weekend on the night, December 19th, he went to the casino and lost $4,000 and then supposedly won it back. But I want everybody to know who this guy is. He runs football pots, and he's going to be running a Super Bowl pot. You're going to get on his Super Bowl pot, and he ain't going to pay you. He's going to do the same shit to you that he done to us. He still holds $3,000 that he should be paying out to us. Or actually, $2,750 since he pocketed $250 just for running the pot. Big deal. Jose Sanchez. What I think he did is he ran a benefit for himself. For what? To take his girlfriend out for the weekend to Buffalo? Who knows where? Also, to put money in his pocket to buy his kids and whoever else's kids Christmas presents? Is that how you do shit? Is you run your own benefit and just pay yourself? Is that how things work? No, that's not how things work. I just got one thing to tell you, Jose. You better hope that the family of the fourth quarter winner finds you before I do. But see, I've also hanged out with you at Minute Maid Park. I know where you hang out in baseball season. Because if I come look for you, and I am coming to look for you, I'm coming to collect my money. And you will pay me one way or another. And that's all I got to say about that. Now, everybody, let's have a contest with this. I'm going to hold a contest. I want everybody to share this video. If this video is shared in a group that has anything to do with football pots, I will ask you to please leave this video up, because this guy is in many groups. Texans Tailgaters, JJ Watt. I don't care what group that this video is posted in. I'm going to ask the administrator and the moderators to please warn your members, because your members will get screwed by this guy as well. Jose Sanchez. Okay? Now let's have a contest with this. I want as many people that see this video to share it. You share this video, make sure you share it public, and I'm going to hold a contest. Whoever has the most likes on your share, let's say January the 21st. By January the 21st, whoever has shared my video, I want to see whoever has the most likes. Whoever has the most likes on your shared video, I will pay you $100 cash. Hand it to you through my Chase bank account or even PayPal, since I don't have problems with PayPal. All right? So let's get the word out. Jose Sanchez is a scam artist. He kept all of our money that everybody that paid and played on this football pot, and everybody that's going to play and pay on his Super Bowl pot, you're going to get screwed. Let me warn you now. Please share. Thank you very much.